Hello guys, this is your boy Raul. Today we are gonna see how to make perfect. First, go to the photo P and it's totally free to use and no need downloads and all. So yeah, let's go to the new project and open the file. Then go to the down.com best site for aesthetic. I will share the link in the bio. Then search for the $1 million font for this video. I'm going with the strongest font. You guys can also use this. Download it and install and load in the software. Next, I'm going with the label Adrenaline Rush. You can choose any labels. Then go to the blend option, select stroke and color overlay. Select this. Now go to the catalog for cool and viral elements. Go lots of designs available. You can choose according to yourselves. I'm going with fire designs. Then go to the remove to make your background look transparent. Download it and place it in the photo. Now try to place along with the font and try to make it look cool. As you can see it, I place it on top and bottom to make it look smooth and grid with the text. And then go to the stroke and overlay to make it look unique and cool. Now let's of this video. Now go to the mockup and choose your mockup and place it in the photo P. You can find your mockup on the bio.com. I will provide the link in the bio as well. I will provide every link in the bio so you can check it out. Download the mockup and place it. Try to place the text in the middle or somewhere close, just like I did. In the end, you can also add some more graphics according to your vibe and your project needs. You can also play around and try to implement other elements. So this is the how products will turn out and this is how it will look. Hope you guys like the video and it will help you in your journey. Don't forget to like, share and comment